Oh, I gotta come up with a good intro. What's something I could do? It's really gonna hook the audience. Yeah, what does all the big shot YouTubers do? What's something I could do that they do? Oh, I got it. I'll do a cold start with the C10. Yeah, that'll be perfect. Yeah, let's do a cold start. This will be great. Alright, we're gonna do a cold start for you. Hang on. Oh yeah. That sounds good, huh? I guess wasn't such a good idea. How goes it? So I had something good planned for you guys for this week, and then Mother Nature decided to dump a bunch of snow on me and crank the thermostat down to like nothing. And well, I had to postpone it. But hey, I'm an opportunist. So I decided to seize the opportunity and do a epic cold start for you guys. What a better time to do it than when the temperature is, 15 degrees. So this is your first time stopping by and you don't know me. I am a wheelchair user, but I'm also still a diehard car enthusiast. Here on this channel, I strive to produce high quality, info-rich, and entertaining content while still maintaining as much authenticity as possible. But if that sounds interesting to you, consider subscribing. God, what is the deal with those crows? As you probably know, this is a big trend, among car channels where they do cold starts at the beginning. Well, I'm about to show you why I never do that. It takes forever. The square body doesn't have a choke, and it's got a pretty good sized cam, and it's the tune. It's not really meant for, easy starts. So really, it's a pain. Well, you'll see. But like I said, it snowed pretty good here last week, and snow was really pretty. It was on the trees really good. I got some footage of it. Kind of tried out my, editing skills and all that good stuff. I'm really new to this. I'll show you a little bit of that footage right now, and then we'll do the cold start. Alright, so that was the snow. You know, it was pretty, but makes it hard to deal with, you know, a truck like this when it's snowy and that cold. But anyway, well, yeah, before we get started with that, let's take this big guy in. You know what happens when we start the truck with him around. Come on, let's just go in. Get in your room, Oz. Don't give me that. No, it's alright. Calm down. Calm down. I'll be back in a minute. Well, let's get this thing going. Okay, let's see what it'll do without pumping it. For the pumps. Nearly. You see the fuel pressure gauge. Until you get it to come up, you know it's not gonna start. You gotta crank it enough to get the engine to turn over enough to pump some fuel up. Keep pumping. See, it's hitting, but until that fuel pressure gauge comes up, you know it's not going to do anything. Right there, just feel the needle come up a little. Come on. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh. Oh. Alright, we're getting there. We're getting there. Here we go. Come on. There it is. Almost. See, this is what it does. It'll start up, and then if you give it steady, feed of the fuel, it'll stay started. But when you let off, it just falls on its face and dies. So this is the part that takes forever before it'll idle on its own. It's getting there, it's getting there. Guess I'm just gonna have to keep it idle, revved a bit so it'll warm up. Not to idle on its own. so bad in there. Air fuel ratio looks good. Let's see if we can get it to auto again. Yeah, come on. There we go. Yep, I think it's good. I think it's gonna stay started. It feels decent. Alright, well, we got it started. It'll stay started on its own now. Alright guys, so this has turned out to, as you see, take a long time. So the video is probably running pretty long by now. So I'm not gonna waste your time anymore. I'm just gonna tell you. If you like this, if you want to hear the truck run more in different settings, check out the video right up here that I'm suggesting right now. You can hear it in all different types of settings. Drive-bys, revs, full throttle, all that. And if you enjoyed this, you want to support the channel, hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to stick around for more. And I'll see you next time.